Hi, my name is Sergio, iOS engineer at GoLinks, and I'm here to demo the GoProfiles mobile app. So this is a great way to view your company directory and give and receive peer recognition as well while you're on the go. When you launch the app, you're greeted with this dashboard that gives you events such as birthdays, anniversaries, and latest hires. You have your leaderboard for most received Bravos and most given Bravos of your organization and activity, recent activity from the recognition of people within the company updated by the latest there. So you're able to click on this and then view what the specific Bravos were given. We have a directory where you're able to view your employees by location and department, and then filter that down. So if you were to actually click on somebody's profile, let me click on mine here, you're able to see the user's location, their local time, you're able to see their details, bio, you're able to see the Bravos that they've received and achievements as well. If I go back and I go down to give Bravo, this is a way where you can actually do peer recognition on the go by choosing a specific peer to give and elect to give a Bravo to, which is really nice. We have the map, so you're able to view your organization in a map view to see where they are located, and they can update that if they are digital nomads, which is pretty neat, and that also updates their local time. And then we also have our org chart as well, which breaks down per employee. You can search employees and just view where they are on the org chart. And that will give you all the relevant information. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.